Waves. What is a wave? The disturbance which move without physical transfer or flow of matter as a whole is called a wave. Wave represents the disturbance in a medium or space and carries energy and information. All waves require a medium for their propagation. We know that light waves can travel through vacuum with speed 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Importance of waves. All our communications essentially depends on transmission of signals through waves. Let us know about types of waves. There are three types of waves: mechanical waves, electromagnetic waves, matter waves. Let us discuss about mechanical waves. The waves which require a medium for their propagation and cannot propagate through vacuum are called mechanical waves. Example: waves on a string, water waves, sound waves, seismic waves. Here, mechanical waves involve oscillations of constituent particles and depend on the elastic properties of the medium. Now let us discuss about electromagnetic waves. The waves which do not necessarily require a medium. They can travel through vacuum. Example: light waves, radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, and so on. The speed of electromagnetic waves c is equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. You can see the electromagnetic waves in figure. Now let us discuss about matter waves. According to de Broglie, a wave associated with moving electrons, protons, neutrons, and other fundamental particles are called matter waves. See here, this is nucleus and this is the path followed by the electron when it revolves around the nucleus. So the waves you can see are associated with electron and these waves are said to be matter waves. In this chapter, we will study mechanical waves. The first scientific analysis of wave motion dates back to the 18th century. 18th century. Some of the famous scientists associated with the physics of wave motion are Christian Huygens, Robert Hooke, and Isaac Newton. Let us discuss about longitudinal waves and transverse waves. First we discuss about transverse waves. Wave in which particle of medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation are called transverse wave. In transverse waves, the particle of medium move up and down. Here the regions of up called crest and the regions of down are called trough, and these forms alternatively. As shown in figure, when a horizontal string tied to a fixed hook is given a single up and down jerk, the disturbance moves horizontally in the form of a pulse, but the element of the string move up and down. Thus, the disturbance move on the string is a transverse wave. Light waves, electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. It is the electric field which changes its value with speed and time, and changes are propagated in the space. The direction of the electric field is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the light. Light travels in free space. When light travel in free space. Let us know about longitudinal waves. Waves in which the particle, the medium, vibrate along the direction of wave propagation are called longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, particles of the medium move to and fro. Here the regions of high density are called compressions, and the regions of low density are called rarefactions, are formed alternatively. Examples: sound waves in air are longitudinal waves. When a body such as tuning fork vibrates in air, the particles of air vibrate in parallel to the direction of propagation of sound. You may see rarefaction compressions reach our ear. When a piston in a vertical long pipe filled with air is moved up and down periodically, the air particles also move up and down, and a periodic wave will propagate in air along the length of the tube is an example for a longitudinal wave as shown in figure. Here we have a note: solids and strings have shear modulus, that is, they sustain shearing stress. Fluid have no shape of their own, they yield to shearing stress. So this is why transverse wave are possible in solids and strings but not in fluids. Longitudinal waves involve compressive stress. They can be propagated through solids and fluids. Both waves, that is longitudinal waves and transverse waves, can propagate in steel bar because it possessing both bulk and shear elastic moduli.